Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 28th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 on Friday, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from Friday morning, make sure to check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did have a little bit of a push down. I was definitely originally thinking that this was going to turn into a 1, 2, 3, which it definitely still is possible because really it has not broken structure to the downside, which is why I put my Fibonacci retracement on this last series of higher highs, higher lows, because if it does make 3 waves down and impulsive up at a Fibonacci level, I still think the wave 3 is possible, especially that I think we're in a wave 4 in the much higher time frames. But I labeled it as an ABC because at this point it definitely does look like 3 waves up. I think that you should definitely be looking for shorts, especially on shorter time frames. And if it's not a wave C, but it's actually a wave 3, then this will just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and you will not get that breaker structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, proving that it's a wave 3, not a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.